Yes, the link is in the description below. Buy from there.
Hi guys, we got a PR package.
Yay!
And we're gonna find what's in it.
Yes, let's see what's in it.
Find it out. Let's find out what's in it.
Alyan देखो भैया क्या खोल रही. Yay!
Hold on, Alyan, hold on. Hold on.
Okay, what's in it?
Wait, I found it out and let's see what it is.
Yes, what it is?
It says
So what is this?
Wi-Fi solar home security camera 2K Ultra HD.
2K Ultra HD.
Yeah. Okay. So
Ooh.
here you go, guys. This is how the package come.
Okay.
So in this white one, you have a
The
camera
real
itself.
camera, yes. Okay.
It says
What is the name?
scum mode.
Scammer. Okay.
Yeah, and then you put it back, and right here you have a stand.
Okay.
You have another stand.
Okay. 2 stands.
Yes, and you have cables, and you have a solar panel.
Wow.
Right here you have
Show
solar
us
panel.
the solar panel, please.
Right here you have a solar panel.
Okay.
Goes with it. Hold on. Here you go.
Okay.
And then you have a booklet
Okay.
to tell you how to put it on.
So the user manual is here.
Yes.
Okay.
There you go. It's very easy
To install,
Once I
okay.
have it installed, I will show you guys how it looks
Okay.
and how it works.
Okay.
Hi guys, we showed you the PR package. There was a camera, it's in pieces.
Mm-hmm.
And I hope you liked the video. Comment below if you liked this video
Mm-hmm.
or you didn't.
Okay.
Just comment below. You
Okay.
can find the link in the description below.
Yes, the link is in the description below. Buy from there. Allah Hafiz. Fiman Allah. We love you all. 2K Ultra HD. This is a solar home security camera that works with Wi-Fi. Yes.